As work from home becomes a sustainable alternative for jobs, you might have heard about Remotasks. But really, what is Remotasks? Remotasks is an online platform that allows users to earn money by doing tasks that involve identifying and labeling various objects. Our team helps companies build smart technologies such as self-driving cars, smart home appliances, and other forms of artificial intelligence. If you're interested in becoming a Remotasker, you can register and make an account for free at the Remotasks website at remotasks.com. Register using your Facebook account or your email, and you're all set to get started. Next is to learn how to do tasks on the available projects. If registration is free, training is also for free. We have bootcamps where you can join free live training sessions with trainers and fellow Remotaskers in order to get advanced tips and tricks on certain tasks. Once you are done with the training, you can start doing tasks right away and begin earning. We also offer promotions where we give taskers the opportunity to level up their earning game by advancing them from a tempter up to super reviewer that can help them do more higher earning tasks. Payment is done weekly and will be credited to your nominated PayPal or AirTM account with no minimum amount required. For your account interface, this is how it looks like. Your dashboard will show your earnings and the projects you are enabled. Task log contains the list of your submitted tasks. Training tab is where you can find all available courses to take. Feedback tab is for announcement history, and the support tab is where you can find the help center, community, and the link to join our Discord server. That is how comprehensive our user interface is. So, if you want to take part in our mission in technology advancement, join us, and together, let us change the world one task at a time.